Welcome back to Abady Law Firm, where we bring you essential information on customs law. Today, we're delving into a topic that's crucial for anyone planning to transport over $10,000 into or out of the United States. It's not just about carrying cash, there's a legal requirement you need to be aware of. We're talking about FinCEN Form 105, also known as the Report of International Transportation of Currency or Monetary Instruments. Stick around because we'll explain what it is and how to fill it out. Plus, we'll clear up some common misconceptions about fees and taxes. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is FinCEN Form 105? Well, it's a document issued by the Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, FinCEN, which is part of the Department of the Treasury. This form is required when you're transporting currency or monetary instruments over $10,000 into or out of the United States. The purpose of this form is to monitor and combat money laundering, as well as to detect other financial crimes. It's crucial for Customs and Border Protection to know when large sums of money are being moved across borders. So, when do you need to fill out FinCEN Form 105? Well, the requirement is simple. Anytime you're carrying over $10,000 in cash or other monetary instruments, such as traveler's checks or money orders, you must declare it by filling out this form. This declaration is mandatory, whether you're entering or leaving the United States. Keep in mind that this requirement applies to both U.S. citizens and non-U.S. citizens. It's all about the amount of money being transported, not your citizenship. Now, you might be wondering how to inform Customs that you need to declare money. It's simple. When departing for your flight, you can ask a TSA, Transportation Security Administration, officer or an airline representative for directions to the nearest customs office. They can guide you on where and how to declare your funds before your flight. Upon arrival in the United States, you can approach a customs officer when you're clearing customs for entry. Let them know that you need to declare money, and they will assist you in the process and provide you the physical FinCEN form. It's essential to be proactive and honest about your declaration to ensure a smooth experience. If you have followed the instructions online at the CBP FinCEN website and correctly completed the form, including endorsing it online, you have the option to either print or save the confirmation receipt or email it. When you travel, present the receipt or provide your confirmation number to the customs officer at the port of entry or departure. Before we conclude, let's address a common misconception. There is no fee or taxes paid to Customs for declaring over $10,000. It's simply a declaration requirement per statute. Some people think they'll be charged a fee or taxed for carrying large amounts of cash by Customs, but that's not the case. Remember, failing to declare your currency or monetary instruments could result in seizure of the funds, civil penalties, or in some cases, even criminal consequences and imprisonment. So it's crucial to follow this requirement. In conclusion, if you're planning to transport over $10,000 into or out of the United States, be sure to familiarize yourself with FinCEN Form 105. It's a straightforward process that involves declaring your funds to Customs and Border Protection. Don't forget that there are no fees or taxes associated with this requirement. It's all about complying with the law. Safe travels. That wraps up our video for today. We hope you found this information useful and that it helps you navigate the process of traveling with large sums of money. If you have any questions or if there's a topic you'd like us to cover in a future video, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Safe travels, everyone.